Good morning, all. Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, March the 7th, 2023. We have here only one regular puzzle for today. Yes, it's Medium Sudoku, but we have also an additional with extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles, not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yes. Otherwise it will be a day job for me. What's the news of today? Well, it's quite cold today. Yeah. 2 degrees, 4 degrees. And it's going to snow today. Wow. In March. I thought the winter was over, but it's still we have still having wintering days. Yeah. All right. Let me start with the medium Sudoku number 6075. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one again, 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. But for a puzzle with 26 printed digits, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, it will be a 2 stars puzzle. And for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 2 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. All right. Three. In the last row, 3 in a row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the second row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the last column, so no 5 there. Here 5 in that column, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Alright. Okay. Then, which number can I pick? How about 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. We have a pair. The 8 and the 6 in this column. The 8 and the 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 6, 8 and 6. We have a 6 in the third row. So no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. Alright. Then. Yeah. How about the number? Come on. 8. Let me see. 4. 189. 189. 9. 189. 1. 1. Oh wait. 2. Come on. 8. 8. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6. Okay. Then. 1. Need a 1 here. Need an 8 there. Need a 4 there. Need a 9. 1. 3. 6. Yeah. Come on. What's happening? 2. 8. 3. Here I need a 3. The 9. 9. Oh, the 9 in the third row. The 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and a 9. We have a 7 and a 9 in the third column, so no 7 and 9 in these 3 boxes. The 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. 2, 8. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. And look, we have a 2 and a 4 in the last row. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first column. So for number 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for 8 should be there. And we have a pair again. A lot of pairs today. The 2 and the 4 in the last row. The 2 and the 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Yeah. Here we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Again a pair. That means that those 2 missing numbers in the second column are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the third row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3. 1 and the 3. 4, 4. Okay. Alright. 2, 4. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8. Yeah. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, the 3 and 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4, oh, wait. Then. Let me see, 1, 9, and yeah, I need a 6 here. 6, 1, 9, 9, 9, 1 and 9. Okay, 1 and 9. Well, in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. 6. 7. 7, 7, 7, 7. Come on. The 2. 2, 2, 2. 2 and 4. 7 and 9. Come on. 1. I'm stuck here. 1, 3, 2. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing. Well, we have a 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 and 4, we have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and 4, 7 and 4. We have a 7 in first row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. Well, here we have a pair. That means the other 2 missing numbers in the second row are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Here we have 2 numbers missing, 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3, it's marked. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there, 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now in the second row, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing, 3 and 7, 3 and 7, we have a 7 in this column, last column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, 3, 3, 3, 3. Then, how about these 2 missing numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing, 7 and 9, 7 and the 9 cannot fill this yet. Well, 1 and a 9. Well, here we need a 6 yet. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so last column. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Then 2 missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark the other pair in this big square. The numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. And 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 3 in this row. 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 3. Alright. Okay. So, now, 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 4. Here can be a 4 because we have 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here can be a 4 because we have 4 in the middle column, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 in the middle row should be there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. Alright. Then. Yeah, 7 and a 9. 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, we have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 box left in the middle column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 7 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers. Oh, wait, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Well, told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve this puzzle. Definitely 2 stars, and I like this one. I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in the evening with other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now. And have a great and fantastic Tuesday. See you in the evening. Alright.